Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to navigate this course. As you will see, once you log into Blackboard, the first thing you will see is your announcements. This is where this course will open so that you will always have access to the announcements. New announcements always appear at the top, and because this is a test video, the last announcement for this course shows up first. Alright, so to get started in the course, you want to click the Start Here menu. Then you're going to take a couple of minutes just to listen to my welcome video so you get a sense of how this course is going to work, who I am, and what we're going to do. Then you want to follow through all of the items in the Start Here menu. If this is your first online course, you want to start with this self-paced learning experience to help you understand Blackboard and how to navigate through Blackboard. Next, you'll see some instructions on how to navigate this course. You'll see here that these are the different sections on the menu. They explain what each of those sections are. Here they are up here. They get a little off sync this way, but in the Start Here, you'll get all of the information you need to get started. This tells you about announcements, contact your instructor. That's how you can find me and any way to contact me. If you need to send me a message about a grade, course messages is the way to go. Also, you can check grades here. Take a look at that. I will come back to that here in just a minute. So this section kind of gives you an idea what each of those menu links takes you to. And I will take you to each one of those here in a minute. Also, here's a little section on course organization, which shows you how each module looks. So there are 12 modules in this course. Each module has an overview, the learning outcomes, what you need to read, what you need to watch, and what you need to do individually. Then also what you need to do in your team, the amount of time the module should take, and then any additional resources that will help you with that module. Next, we have your course learning outcomes. I'm going to go ahead and click on that because I'd like for you to see that these are the course learning outcomes. 5 of those listed here, and then each of the module outcomes and how those connect to the course learning outcomes. Looks like I need to add those CLOs in there. All right, then back to our course. Here's a little bit about accessibility. There's more in the syllabus. And then here's another link on how you can contact me. I make sure you have several ways to get that. This is also in your syllabus. Alright, so back up here to the menu. This was the Start Here section, so we've gone through all of that. I mentioned announcements already. That's where you'll start. Here's the Contact Your Instructor link. So this has a link to the bookings that we use for you to schedule a meeting. And then here's also our communication plan. So this is how you can contact me, how you can find me. I am on social media. Happy to respond to that. Those are not the fastest ways to contact me. The best way is to email me directly, but here are some other ways that you can contact me. Make sure you read each of these so that you know the differences. One of the most important things is that I cannot communicate with you about your grade in email. It has to be through the course. Alright, next section, course messages. This is the only acceptable location to talk about your grades. I do ask if you post a message here, let me know with an email so that I know that it's there. Next, this is where you can find your grades. And remember, this is an ungraded course. So literally all you're going to find here is a check mark showing that an activity or an assignment has been completed. Alright, and finally, last definitely but not least, is where you can find your syllabus, your course schedule. You'll understand the student-led discussion schedule link later as you get into the course. And then later as we do course evaluations, you'll be able to find that link here. But let's take a quick look at the course schedule. This is subject to change, but as of now, this is what this course looks like. This shows you when each module is due, what's due, what dates, what you need to do throughout that week. Everything is due Sunday at 11:59. And then over here we'll click into the course syllabus. Very long syllabus, but very, very important. You do have a table of contents, so you can link into each of these things quickly. If you're looking for something specific, I want to direct you specifically to your assignments and assessments. That's the most important thing you're going to want to know in this course. But if you have any special needs, anything specific you're looking for, I guarantee, almost guarantee anyway, that you'll find it here in your syllabus. So make sure you take a look through all of these things. A little bit about me, there's the communication plan again, course description, all of your learning outcomes for the course and for the Honors College. Again, the navigation instructions that were also in Blackboard, course materials, technology requirements, and we just keep going and going. Here's the grading activity, and then additional information about each of your assignments and what you're doing through the course. These can also be found in Blackboard. A brief version of the course schedule, and then all of the course expectations and policies. And then beyond that, I also have all of the university expectations and policies and resources. And then last, but definitely not least, the Roadrunner Creed, which you'll see in every syllabus. All right, now back to Blackboard. I know you're interested in where the content is for your course, so let's take a quick look. This is your content page. Here you'll find links to each of the modules, all 12 of them. We can just click on one here, Module 8. Each module has an overview, so each module lists the outcomes, what you need to read, watch, and do with your team, and then the links to get to each of those, plus, as I mentioned, additional resources. Now, here's a quick little trick for each of you. Every module also includes a link to provide feedback on this module if you find a link that doesn't work, if you find something that's a little bit heavier reading than you expected, or anything that you like or don't like about a module, please let me know with this feedback loop. Also, you'll see some navigation options. You'll have a go to previous module and go to next module. Those are in every single module. You just click that, it takes you to the next one or the previous one. All right, so that's how the content works. Easy to find. Everything is laid out exactly the same. Also, you'll notice down here on the menu, you can get to all of your journals using the journals link, all of your assignments using the assignments link, the link to get into any Zoom meetings, links for any of your group activities, and then of course some of the tools that you may or may not use in this course. So that's it. That's the tour. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you need anything from me. Thanks.